Okay, here's the third one. Just missed a big, as soon as I shut it off, just missed a big thunderbolt. Lightning bolt. What do you call them? Whoa, rumble. Whoa. Wow. I think it's moving to the left. There we go. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. Oh gosh. I'm going to pan the camera to the right and there was a big... Wow. A bunch of lightning off to the left as soon as I turn to the right. It's pretty hard to follow, actually. You never know where it's going to go off. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, that was worth it. Okay, that's what I was waiting for. Now I can sit back and relax and enjoy it.